Let me go stand, please. Come here and you can stand here. There's a space here. There are lots of people standing. There's no problem. For learning, you can stand here 30 minutes. No problem. SharePoint? Yes, go. There's only stand, okay? You stand only. There's no place to sit. If you can stand for 45 minutes.
Okay, stand. It's really fun. SharePoint rocks. Yeah.
SharePoint rock, yeah. Okay. There will be a redo. Okay, fine. There will be another redo of the session. Maybe today or maybe tomorrow. Okay. So we'll just lock it now.
Someone went out.
Yeah, we have to lock it. Yes.
Someone has to go inside instead of back.
Somebody will take his place. So don't let anyone else. He's doing his stuff. But this is what we want to record.
Yes,
you record inside?
Yeah. No, inside no.
Go and record. Okay. No, I think this session they will do it again. So we will announce it.
Sorry.
Okay. Suppose I do have this document library. Okay. I go to this shared documents. Okay. Now I need to have a copy, an offline copy from these shared documents on my local machine, and I take it home. We'll keep the questions to the end.
Excuse me, would you help in that? التكييف كثير حر الناس خصوصا ورا.
Let me try.
Okay, so suppose I want to have my own copy of that document library. I want to get this connected from here. I want to get
6000 مليون شخص
sync that yourself.
مش أي حاجة كده.
ممكن نكلم
To the sync to SharePoint workspace. It's one of the Office applications. If you go to the Microsoft Office 2010, okay, Microsoft Office, and one of the new applications with the S letter, which is SharePoint workspace. Okay, so if you just hook it up, and even you could go to the end user interface and say sync to SharePoint workspace. It automatically will squeeze all this side information and take an offline copy and put it to the end user here. So this is shared documents. If I go to the shared documents, if I go to site assets, let's try to upload or to add one picture or a document here to my. No, this is a local copy on my Windows 7. So I'm doing a complete testing environment on my local machine. No servers environment at this moment. So what I'm going to do is just I go to my local desktop, for example, I go to my, where I do have some pictures or some documents. This is installation guide. It's a text file. I'll just drop it in my shared documents. Here the shared documents. Okay. Now it's automatically syncing between a while and another, but I could go and say sync. Now it's syncing, and you could see the synchronization status. It's synchronizing to the server. You could go up to your shared documents. Here the shared document, just refresh it and you get it up. Now suppose the reverse way. I just uploaded a document to the portal directly, to my subsite directly. Suppose I could go and add a new document. Here I love Ajax. Browse. Let's go to the, for example, some CVs. Let's go to that logo. Okay, open and okay. Now, as I told you before, it's synchronizing between a time and another. So if I keep it, now, and I go to this, I have here notification icon, that all these are not read in your SharePoint workspace or in your SharePoint site. If I let it just work normally, it will sync back and bring me that offline copy. Or I could go to that SharePoint workspace and give the sync order. Now it's downloaded here.
Does anybody knows what was the first name of SharePoint services? First name, first complete name of SharePoint services. Anyone? Nobody knows? The first name of SharePoint services was SharePoint Team Services. Just one word, team. The next version was Windows SharePoint Services 2, then Windows SharePoint Services 3, but then now in SharePoint 2010, as Microsoft has completely reignited or redeveloped the SharePoint platform, they changed it to the original name. They changed it to SharePoint Foundation 2010. Why? Because SharePoint services are the real foundation of SharePoint, if you know. They are the actual back-end system that works, that gives you what SharePoint is. Or the product named MOS, or Microsoft Office SharePoint Server, now called Microsoft SharePoint Server, is built on top of SharePoint Foundation. So the naming convention will be a little complex when you start working with SharePoint 2010.